Hey everybody, my name is Randall Ray and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been away. It's probably been about 3 months since I produced any content, and I want to jump on here, catch you guys up, and let you know what's been going on and what to expect in the future. So basically, we started accepting a new type of work for the pool contractors, which has kept us incredibly busy on one hand, and on the other, I was kind of getting burnt out of taking customer orders. So over the last 3 months, I have done a few projects, but it's been stuff for previous customers or friends, family, stuff like that. Haven't really taken on anything crazy or video worthy or anything that I was super passionate enough to make a video. So I just want to jump in here and catch up. Besides the working a whole ton, I did actually purchase a 78 Bronco a few months ago. I haven't touched it at all. I did get it running when I first got it. It's been sitting in a barn for about 25 years, and originally my plan was to kind of restore it. I'm not really sure where I'm going to go with it now. To be honest, for what I got for it and what I can sell it for as it sits, I may just sell it, turn a nice profit, and move on. It will take a ton of work to restore, and I don't really have the facilities. I could make do if I have to, and at this point I might get it running, do a few projects on it, and then sell it, but I'm not really sure yet, so don't hold me to that. With that being said, if I do any kind of work to it, I will record it, I will put out some videos and let you guys know what's been going on. But I'll throw up some clips, I'll show you what it is, and yeah. I haven't been doing much of anything. I just work nonstop. I haven't been in a workshop at all like I was talking about. In fact, this weekend is probably the only weekend that I've been in here without having an order. Basically, the shop is getting incredibly messy. I haven't cleaned it since probably I started my desk video. So it was just a huge mess. Everything was spread out everywhere. I spent this weekend cleaning it up, organizing, and trying to get it back in some sort of workable order. Like I was saying, I haven't produced any videos. Not only just workshop updates, because I could still keep you up with what's been going on with work and the airboat and all that, but I was kind of just trying to stay away from social media altogether for a little while. Took a little bit of a break, and now I'm really recharged and ready to get back into it. With that being said about the airboat, I know I was keeping you guys up to date. Basically, there hasn't been much of any work done to it since I last spoke with you, with the exception of the last few weeks. So within the last few weeks, we've had a little bit of time off. We did hire somebody to help us keep up with the work that we have, and my dad's been able to get in, do a little bit more work to the boat. At this point, the boat is pretty much done. It's all wired up. I sent out the prop beginning of last week to get resurfaced and have a few things done to it at the actual manufacturers. So once we get that back on, we'll bolt that on and basically should be ready to slide. We are getting the deck seafoam. It's kind of like a soft foam you put on the top of boats. They're going to do some sort of design to put that on there, so we're waiting to hear back from them as well. In the meantime, that is pretty much it though. Nothing super exciting going on in my life. I just wanted to jump on, catch you guys up. I haven't produced anything. I haven't been on Instagram with the exception of when I clean the shop, so it's been quite a while for everything. I know this video isn't super exciting. Stay tuned though. I've got some projects that I'm actually passionate about, actually excited to do something with, and I think you guys will enjoy them. So stay tuned. If you don't follow me or subscribe already, go ahead and click that button below, and I will catch you guys on the next one, hopefully with something a little more exciting than me cleaning the workshop. In the meantime, you guys have a good one.